Snake Fun is back, and today I'm going to be doing the ground cinnamon challenge. I am actually at my friend's house, and I brought cinnamon. So yeah, and I'm going to be doing 2 spoonfuls. And I'm going to be doing 2 spoonfuls of cinnamon, as you can see. So this is number 1.
Why do I feel like you enjoy this? Why do I feel like you enjoy this? Like Amy did on the baby food. That was funny.
Probably because I do enjoy this.
I remember when Ashley did this, she was like...
Yeah, she barked all over the place.
Yeah.
It was hilarious.
Nasty. It was nasty. Don't worry, people, water standing by just in case.
What? Oh, yeah.
I was picking
Here,
up my water cup.
and my friend Molly actually brought some water just in case, which I'm not going to need at all.
Second one.
Wait. Not done yet.
Ugh.
1 spoon. Down.
Nasty.
2nd spoon right here.
You seriously
Here, take the bag.
You seriously enjoy this?
Exactly. See, ready?
I've never seen anybody enjoy this. If we had Carolina Reapers, I'd be totally freaking out right now and make you eat like 20.
Good idea.
I think Grandma would buy Carolina Reapers. Booyah. First thing on the list. Wait, no, the jalapeno challenge.
Yes.
We had to eat like 30 jalapenos. Or like...
And that's the end of this video.
No. Snake venom out, and this is cinnamon challenge times 2. 2 spoonfuls of cinnamon, and I completed it without water, and I'm completely fine. So everybody on YouTube that couldn't complete this challenge, you guys suck because you guys are really weak. Bye.
Especially if you're a grown-up.
Yes.
You got beat by a 13-year-old.